Welcome to DevOps Tech channel. In this video, I will cover the below topics: what is Terraform and what is infrastructure as a code, and what is the difference between procedural and declarative languages. And I will show you one sample Terraform code, and I will explain what is Terraform documentation as well. Let's get started. What is Terraform? Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool for building and managing infrastructure. It was first released in July 2014 by HashiCorp. And Terraform is written in the Go programming languages. By using Terraform, we can create resources across all major infrastructure providers, including like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, OpenStack, VMware, IBM, and many more. It supports almost all cloud providers, and also it supports on-premises infrastructure as well. It has many more features like it stores state of the infrastructure, and also Terraform code can be version controlled. Coming to infrastructure as a code, infrastructure as a code means rather than creating your resources by using the user interface, you are managing your infrastructure in the form of file or files. So that means we can describe our infrastructure in the form of code. So that is mean infrastructure as a code. Let me take one example to explain what does it mean. So here I'm taking AWS as a infrastructure provider. So I just want to create EC2 instance from my AWS management console. So what I have to do is I have to log in my AWS management console, and I will select my EC2 dashboard, and I will launch my EC2 instance. So no need of do this. So why? Because rather than creating the resources from the management console, you will use Terraform code. So this simple Terraform code will create the EC2 instance. That is infrastructure as a code. So coming to procedural and declarative language, so we all are aware of procedural languages like Java, Python, Shell script, right? If you want to create anything in the procedural languages, you have to define the whole process, and we have to provide the steps how to do it. But coming to declarative languages, you just say what you want and no need to worry about how to do it. So here if you see, I just mentioned I need one EC2 instance. The type is called t2.micro. I didn't say how to do it, right? So the Terraform know how to do it. So that is the beauty of dynamic programming language. Terraform comes under the dynamic programming language. So coming to sample Terraform code. So this is the code for creating the EC2 instance. So let me try to run this code. What it will do exactly is it will create one EC2 instance in my AWS account. So let me run this code. If you want to run this code, you have to use this command terraform apply. So once you run the terraform apply, it will be create your EC2 instance in your AWS management console. So it's taking time. Wait for a second. See, it is going to create one EC2 instance. It will ask your permission. Type yes. Once you type the yes, go to the AWS management console, and if you refresh here, you are able to see that EC2 instance. Here I am not going to AWS management console. I'm managing infrastructure building by using the Terraform code. This is the use of Terraform. So if you see here, it is creating. Once it is created, that instance will be up and running. Okay. Coming to Terraform documentation part. So this is the Terraform official website. If you want to know more about Terraform, you can go through this URL. And Terraform also providing the learning section as well. So you can go through that. You can find multiple videos. That's it for this video. If you really like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. And also I have one website called devopstack.in. In this you can find DevOps tutorials as well. Please go through it. Thank you so much.